It's gonna be hilarious.
What the heck is it, doorbell? You gotta have a doorbell somewhere.
They have a camera right here.
I know that.
Oh, shit.
Hey, is Chris here?
Okay. Nikki. Oh, scorpion.
Really?
No, just kidding.
Hey, Tyler, have your head down like this.
I'm gonna go
Like this.
right here.
Wait, come up here. Come go like this.
We wait.
If you're looking through the camera, get the door.
Ring it 5 times.
You guys can't ring the doorbell here. His dad will fucking kill you.
What's he gonna do? Come out and shoot us?
No, you guys can't be here for real. Chris just said you guys have to leave. Cause you hear that? It rings like a phone. And they have little kids that are like babies.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go get Chris out here. He said he's gotta leave.
You guys need to get out of here, okay? Don't be coming over here at 10 o'clock at night ringing our doorbell.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Fun to talk to Chris.